Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to resolve the payment failed error message on Cash App. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. Keeping your app updated can fix many common issues. Open the App Store on your device, tap the search icon located in the bottom right corner and search for Cash App. If an Update button appears next to the app's name, tap it to update the app to the latest version. In some cases, simply updating the app might resolve the issue. If updating doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to clear the app cache. Here's how you can do that. Start by opening your device settings. Scroll down until you find the General section and tap on it. Then, navigate to iPhone Storage and look for Cash App in the list of installed applications. Once you've located it, tap on the app. On the following screen, you'll see an option labelled Offload App. Tap this option and confirm the action. The app will be offloaded and a reinstall button will appear. Tap Reinstall to download the app again. This process refreshes the app's data and often resolves underlying issues. If clearing the cache and reinstalling the app still doesn't fix the issue, the final step is to contact Cash App support for personalized assistance. To do this, open Cash App on your device. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and select the support option. On the next screen, choose something else, then scroll down to Cash Card and tap on it. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the Contact Support option. Select it and choose Not About a Transaction. This will lead you to a screen where you can tap Chat to connect with a Cash App representative. Briefly explain the issue you're facing, and the representative will provide guidance to help resolve it. That's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it assists you in fixing the payment failed error on Cash App. Thanks for watching.